Do you know many people are having trouble with changing their own tire? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Secure vehicle. First, secure your vehicle by parking on a flat surface, activating hazard lights, and applying the parking brake. Step 2. Prepare tools. Gather your spare tire jack and lug wrench. SuperCab models need to pull the rear seat release strap for access. Step 3. Loosen lug nuts. Slightly loosen the lug nuts using a lug wrench, being careful not to fully remove them yet. Step 4. Lift vehicle. Use your jack to lift the vehicle at the designated jacking point near the flat tire. Step 5. Replace tire. Remove the lug nuts completely and swap out the flat tire for the spare. Hand tighten new lug nuts. Step 6. Tighten nuts. Lower the vehicle carefully, then fully tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern. By following these steps, you should now be confident in changing a tire on your Ford Ranger. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Ford users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.